biglaan lang to kasi my friend, Miss Aida Patana, she's one of the producers of Sinag. So, syempre, all out support ako doon and I will be part of the movie and as well as Ariana, my daughter. So, parang this is about parang mga fairies, mga diwata, ganyan. So,
how do you meet her?
Matagal na kami friends ni Miss Aida. She's from Cebu. M-Talent, she has her own talent agency, and of course, alam naman pagka-friend ay sobrang 100% support naman.
Pero first directorial job mo raw to? Totoo ba yun?
Hindi, itatry ko lang na actually si Santino ang magta-try.
No,
yes.
What age?
16. He's 16.
Magdidirect na siya.
OMG. Sa try lang niya mga ibang shots daw. Ibang scenes pala.
Pero at least,
so, yeah.
Doon ba yung leaning niya ngayon? Parang yun ang gusto
ayaw niya talaga ng showbiz. Ayaw niya nang lumalabas siya ng, di ba, ayaw niya ng IG, ayaw niya ng pagalitan nga ako, di ba? Pero, nung sumama siya sa, yung ginawa yung namin, yung One Magic Part sa Atok Benguet with Direct Gabby Ramos. Nagbabantay siya talaga dun sa, what you call this, sa monitors. Syempre, alam naman ng lahat na apo siya ni Pablo Santiago. Pablo Santiago. So, I think yun talaga nakuha niya. Nakuha niya yung sa Tito Roel niya, Tito Randy niya, na what you call this, nagde-direct. So, I think doon dining siya. Pero ayaw niya magpa-picture talaga or anything.
Miss Clau, speaking of that, alam naman natin na napag-usapan yung latest vlog mo. Kumusta kayo ni, ngayon? The ex?
Well, ngayon, I really can't talk about it anymore. Kasi, parang nag-iisip ako because lately ang daming nangyari sa mom ko, sunod-sunod.
Oh,
Tapos, she's okay. She had an accident sa market. Nahulog siya sa escalator. What? And she's still in pain. And then, last week, we were in Subic for how many days because nilooban yung bahay namin at yung bahay ng kuya ko.
Saan?
In New West Kalayaan, sa Subic. So, binalikan for yung third day or yung fourth day, binalikan pa rin, broad daylight, ninakawan kami.
Grabe.
Lahat ng regalo ng ate ko, kasi when I ran for counselor doon, yung ate ko, ang gift niya sa mom ko, pinaayos niya ulit yung bahay ng dad ko doon at mom ko sa Subic. And talagang niransak yung buong place. And we had to rush my mom to the hospital in Subic. So ngayon, inuuna ko muna alagaan yung mom ko bago muna yung mga kaso-kaso na yan. So parang, ang ko muna is yung mom ko nang muna.
And now I know Santino and Sabina, they're quite old. How are they accepting things? How did you explain it to them? How did they move on?
Matagal na nilang alam naman. Kasi I really don't talk to them about yung kung ano talaga yung nangyayari or but more or less, alam na nila, kasi syempre nababasa nila yan, alam mo yun, pero of course, sila, syempre, they're very supportive, na whatever you have to do, mom, you just go and do it. But now, syempre, nag-iisip ako talaga mabuti kung kasi dapat unahin ko muna yung mom ko. So, ko muna sa ngayon, isasantabi ko muna kasi I really have to focus on my mom.
And also you're doing a movie, you're also going back talaga and being active. And just a little bit of segue dito sa film na to, bakit may PIDEA? Nagulat kami, may PIDEA sa taas.
Yes. So, also part rin sila sa mga what you call this, kasama sa movie. Kasi maraming yung movie, it's about merong LGBTQ, may everything, may past, may present, may future.
What's the title?
And it's called Sinag.
Sinag,
yeah. And it's going to be directed by Direct Elaine Crisostomo. And produced by what you call this, Miss Aida Patana. She's from she owns M-Talents from Cebu, and yun nga, tagal na kami magkaibigan talaga. And yun, lahat ng mga friends namin, even yung mga friends ko in the business, will play like parts.
Wow.
Malalaking artista, but will play small part.
Personal mo silang in-invite sa
yes, to support talaga.
But it's curious kami, no? Kasi syempre may fairies Tapos may Pidea. Ano ba to? Hallucination ba ito? Ano ba yung story?
Actually, i-explain pa lang ni Direk yung story. Hindi ko siya ma-explain mabuti kasi ngayon pa nahihirapan ako sa lalim ng Tagalog.
Okay.
Kung paano, oo. Yun yung pag-aaralan ng mabuti. This is the first time then I'm also gonna be parang playing a role of yung fairy. Pero maliit lang naman yung role. Pero it's yung support talaga.
Preparation to dun sa movie?
I think siguro stress.
Umayat ka dahil sa stress?
Yeah, so much stress. Because of yun nga, yung happenings sa mommy ko.
Nalooban pa kayo.
Nalooban pa kami. And yun nga, so sana nga yung mga nakaupo sa Subic at Olonga po, sana naman mas maging vigilant kayo kasi I almost lost my mother because of this.
Hindi pa nahuli, Claudine, yung...
May inside job yan. Inside job yan, oo. I mean, para balik-balik ka rin.
Wait lang.
Last question na lang.
Miss Clau, yun nga, no? Nag-open up ka rin kay OG about your bout in rehab before.
Yes,
okay, are we gonna talk about it? What do you wanna say about may connection din ba to sa film na to?
Walang connection at all. This film, I think, will parang address a lot of things, like lahat, mental illness, depression. Yung rehabilitation na pinuntahan ko wasn't for drugs, but was for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder,
because
of the traumas that na
siguro kailangan linawin yung plot kasi ang kumalabas.
Pag kasi sinabing rehab drugs hindi ganun ang rehab talaga. And it's nice kasi meron na yata tayo ditong ganun, yung for yung
PTSD.
Yeah, I think somewhere in Palawan.
Where did you go?
I went to Koh Chang and I went to Chiang Mai.
Wow.
Thailand.
The first one was was both in Thailand.
How are you now?
I'm okay. Of course, yung PTSD, that's a trauma na nandyan talaga for life na kailangan talagang i-address. And I'm just glad that I have good doctors, I have a good therapist, and
right now, do you have yung mga maintenance for mental health?
yes, I do. I do have antidepressants.
Until now?
Yes, until now. Tapos they take it out like 3 months in and then 3 months off, ganyan. So,
siguro ito yung magiging advocacy.
at yeah, na matagal ko naman, never ko naman dininay. Never ko naman dininay. And if it will save a lot of people's lives, then it's okay. Kahit na mabash ka pa, ako or ano, if it will save at least a few people's lives, then okay.
Clau, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Magpapaka-RM lang ako.